Hello guys, and welcome to Finance Insights. With today's video, we're gonna see how to withdraw money from Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. The first thing that I want to clear is that Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5 are the applications that we use to trade, to open some operations and to make profits or losses. In the same way we deposit money through the broker that we use, we also withdraw money through the broker. In fact, if you search in the application, you won't find any button to withdraw money or to deposit money. As you can see, there is no way to withdraw money from the application. In the application we can only see some charts, open some trades, but we can't deposit or withdraw money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money by your broker. I'm going to show you this with FPmarkets, that is the broker that I personally use, but the steps are the same for every broker that you use. So, for example, FPmarkets, FOREX, from every broker that you decide to use, you always have to deposit and withdraw money from the broker. So now I'm inside of FPmarkets to withdraw the money. The steps are very easy, we only have to go on funding, selecting withdraw. And from here, we can select in which way we want to withdraw our money. We select from which account we want to withdraw the money. So for example, if you have many accounts, you can withdraw the money from the account that you prefer. For example, I choose this one. I select the amount of money that I want to withdraw, 100 for example. I write the last 3 digits of my credit card that I already set before, and I click on submit. In this way, I send the request to FPmarket to withdraw $100 from this specific account, and that's it, you don't have to do anything else. So to resume, the steps are very easy. We only have to log into our broker. We have to go on the funding section, select withdraw, and then we only have to withdraw our money. So, guys, I showed you the steps to withdraw your money from FPmarkets because it's the broker that I use. But if you have some doubts on how to withdraw money from a different broker, just write a comment below, and we're going to make a tutorial on another broker. If you want to start trading and you don't know which broker to choose, you can find the link sign up on FPmarkets in bio. I recommend you this broker because it is super safe, spread is very low and it's very easy to use. The deposit are instant and the withdrawal takes usually only 1 or 2 days. I think that FPmarkets is the best broker that you can find at this moment. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or you didn't understand something, just write a comment below, and we will answer you. If you want to follow all our next videos, subscribe to the channel. Guys, that's it for this video, and let's see you in the next one.